Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about quadratic equation by formula. The formula that we're going to use is x equals to negative 4 positive and negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This time we're going to find the value of x of the given quadratic equation by using the formula. Now, in this given equation, we're going to bring this equation equals to 0. X squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. Ayan. The purpose of that, because we're going to identify the a, b, z. The a, the numerical coefficient of this variable, 1, and followed by the b, the numerical of this 5x is equals to 5, and c, which is the constant, equals to negative 3. After determining the a, b, c, we will use now the formula, the x negative b form. Then we're going to write here equals x negative b positive negative square root of v squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then we're going to use the substitution. Since we're going to find the x, equals the value of b, negative b, the value of b is 5. We have negative, then parenthesis, then positive, negative, square root. B, the value of b is 5, squared minus 4, and the value of a is 1, and the value of c is negative 3. Then over 2, the value of a is 1. Okay. Then we're going to simplify x equals negative times positive 5 equals negative 5, and positive negative square root 5 times 5 equals 25, then negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12, all over 2 times 1 equals 2, equals x negative 5 plus and negative square root 25 plus 12 equals 37 all over 2. And this is our answer now. Then we're going to segregate the positive and negative. So we have now negative 5 positive square root of 37 over 2, and the other one is negative 5 negative square root of 37 over 2. Ito kasi dalawa dito, pwede rin siyang iwalayin. Ito na ngayon yung pinag-iwalay ko ito, positive and negative. That will be now the answer. Okay, number 2. So the given equation is x squared negative 9 equals to 0. Since equal to 0, our next step is just to identify the a. A now is the numerical of this x squared. We have 1, and for b, we have 0, and for c, we have negative 9. Then we will use again the formula x equals to negative b positive negative square root b squared negative 4ac all over 2a. Then next step is to substitute. For b we have 0, you have negative, you have 0, and positive negative square root. B again equals to 0, negative minus 4, and a is 1, then c is negative 9 all over 2. What's the value of A? 1. X is equals to simplify negative times 0 equals to 0. No need to write anymore. And the remaining is positive and negative. Square root of 0. 4 times 1 negative. 4 times negative 9 equals positive 36. Okay, positive 36. All over 2 times 1 equals 2. Okay, so now we're going to simplify now. X, for positive, we have positive square root of 36 is all over 2. And for the negative, we have square root of 6 over 2. And our value of x now is 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 6 divided by 2, we have negative 3. We have two answers. One positive 3 and one negative 3. Okay, that is how to use the formula of quadratic equation to find the value of x. So we observed that in quadratic equation, we have sometimes we have two answers. I hope you understand. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.